Now we see the equation of the straight line in three-dimensional. To do next problem, note. So what is a note means? If a x1 comma y1 comma z1 and b x2 comma y2 comma z2 are 2 points, then equation of line AB, equation of line AB is, what is the equation of the line AB means? x2 minus x1, sorry, equation of the straight line is, oh sorry, 1 minute. Equation of straight line x minus x1 by x2 minus x1, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. Listen here, this formula may be new for you. What is the formula means? Equation of the straight line in the three-dimensional. Equation of straight line in three-dimensional is equal to some t. Okay. Based on this note point, we'll try to do the next problem. Next problem question. Find the find work done work done work done in moving a particle in moving a particle in the force field F equal to 3x square I plus 2xz minus y into j plus z into k along the straight line from 0 comma 0 comma 0 to 2 comma 1 comma 3. This is the question. Find the work done in moving a particle in the force field F bar equal to this one along the straight line 0 comma 0 comma 0 to 2 comma 1 comma 3. So first you have to find the straight line equation, then you have to apply the formula integral C F bar dot dr. Okay. Now what I am doing means, given points next a 2 comma 1 comma 3. So is a 0 comma 0, a 2 comma 1 comma 3. Assume this is a x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2. Equation of straight line OA. What is formula? Just now I said x minus x1 by x2 minus x1, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. Okay. So substitute the values. X minus, what is x value? 0. x2 minus x1. What is x2 minus x1? 2 minus 0. Next, y minus y1. What is the value? 0. Y2 minus y1. 2 minus 0. Z minus z1. Z minus 0. 3 minus 0. One more time I am repeating. Equal to y by 1 is equal to z by 3 is equal to some. You got this value. So now let x by 2 equal to y by 1 equal to z by 3 is equal to, you assume as a sum. This value you assume as a sum t. Say you assume. Okay. So which implies what you will get, x2 by 2 is equal to, equate this to t. x2 is equal to 2t. Next, y by 1 is equal to t. What is the y is equal to t? Next, z by 3 is equal to t. What is its value? Z equal to 3t. Okay. So now you got, that means the problem you have to convert in terms of t. So x is equal to 2t. What is the dx value? 2 into dt. Okay. Next, y equal to t. dy equal to dt. Z equal to 3t. dz equal to 3 into dt. Okay. We are calculated these values. Okay. Next, the integral work done formula integral c f bar dot tr. What is the work done formula? Integral c f bar dot tr. So now listen here. Many times we are calculated. What is formula? Integral, here c means oa. What is c means? The line oa. F bar dot dr. f1 dx, f2 dy, f3 dz. If anybody absent in the last class, see here, for example, f bar is a for example, f bar is a f1i, f2j, f3k, and dr is a dxi, dyj, dzk. So what is a f bar dot dr means? F bar dot dr is a dot product. f1 dx, f2 dy, f3 dz. Okay, so I written this one. If you want this, include in the solution also. So now this next, what is a f1? So this is a f1. Given is a this f1. If you want, we will write that one. What is the f bar value? F bar equal to what is f bar according to question? F bar equal to 3x square I plus 2xz, 2xz minus y into j, 2xz minus y into j plus z into k. So now what is f1? f1 is equal to 3x square. f2 is equal to 2xz minus y, 2xz minus y. f3 is equal to, what is f3 is equal to z. So now from this is a got from question. This in the given in the question. From the question, what is f1? 3x square, f2 2xz minus y. Next f3 is a z. Substitute that here. OA is OA into f1 3x square dx, f2 dy. What is f2 dy? 2xz minus y into dy. Next f3. What is f3? Z dz. So now the problem you have in terms of x, y, z. See previously, what is x value? X equal to 2t, y equal to t, next z equal to 3t. So now total problem you convert in terms of t. So now what is x value? 2t, y value t, z z equal to 3t. Substitute that value. Integral 3 into what is x value? X value is a 2t. So now 2t whole square next to dx value. What is dx value? 2 dt. Next 2 into x value 2t, z value 3t minus y value t, dy value dt. What is the dy value? dt. Z value. What is the z value? Just now z value equal to 3t. dz equal to 3dt. Z value 3t. dz is equal to 3dt. So now simple. The problem totally converted in terms of t. We need t limits. Which limits we need? T limits. Moving from where to where? Moving, moving 0 comma 0 comma 0 to what is the value? 2 comma 1 comma 3. It is given in the question. You take any one limits. I'm taking y equal to, what is the y value here? 0. What is the y value here? 1. This. So for example, uh, what is the y value here? T. Y x equal to 2t, y equal to t, z equal to 3t. In these three, you take any one. Y equal to t is as simple as there. I'm taking y equal to t. They want to 2t and this no problem. So I'm okay. If you want, I'll take x equal to 2t. See here everyone. X equal to x equal to 0. I'm taking x values. Now x equal to 0. What is x value? 2t. 2t, which implies what is that? X equal to 2 into 0. What is x equal to 0? Next x value. What is x value here? 2. What is x value here? 2. X equal to 2. So, wait a minute. What is the x equal to 0? X equal to 2t. What is value? 0 equal to 2t, which implies what is that? T equal to 0. Next, come to x value. What is x value? 2. So now what is the formula? X equal to 2t. So now substitute 2 equal to 2t. So what it will be? 2 to cancel, t equal to 1. So what you got? X equal to 0, t equal to 1. So this is the limit. So what I'm taking here? X equal to 0, x equal to 2. I got x equal to 2t by equation of straight line x equal to 2t. If you want to take y equal to t also, doesn't matter. Okay. So now the t limits is a 0 to 1. Therefore, next page, integral to 1. So now that all we will do in the next step. This we got this one. Integral equal to 0 to 1. So what is value? Multiplier 3 into, if you want 4t square, 3 into 4t square, 4 how much? Oh, 2t whole square. 2t whole square means 4t square. 4t square means 4 2s are 80. 80t square. 80t square into 3. 8 3s are 24. So 24 t square dt. Next, what is 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12 plus 12t minus 3. 12t, what is value? 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12t square. 12t square minus 3t into dt. Next, What is this one? 3 3 is a 9. 9t dt. 4 2 is a 4, 4 is a 20. Okay. 3 3 is a 9. 9t dt. 9t dt. So now integral t equal to 0 to 1. Take dt common. What will get? 24t square plus 12t square minus 3t plus 9t into dt. So now integral t equal to 0 to 1, 24t square to 12t square, 36t square, 90 minus 3t plus 60 into dt. Now it's integration value. 36 t square integration t cube by 3. 6 into t integration t square by 2. So what is the limits? T equal to 0 to 1. So 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 ones are 2 threes are. So now, so what is its value? 12t cube 12t cube plus 3t square. The limits is t equal to 0 to 1. Substitute 12 into 1 cube plus 3 into 1 whole square. Lower limit value 0. What is value? 15. 12 plus 3, 15. So what is the work done by force? Work done by force is work done by force is 15. Or you can call or integral CF bar dr is equal to 15. Okay.